Hello students, we are going to discuss value of electrical energy density when the system is a medium which has some value of relative permittivity, suppose it is epsilon r. As we have already discussed, in vacuum energy density is equal to half epsilon naught into E square, where E is electric field in that region. In case we are dealing with other mediums, so in that condition epsilon naught becomes epsilon naught into epsilon r, where epsilon r is called relative permittivity, that is additional value of permittivity corresponding to a medium. This is relative permittivity of a medium. As you know, vacuum has least value of permittivity and any other medium will have permittivity that is slightly greater than permittivity of vacuum. So if you are going to deal with some medium, you have to replace epsilon naught with epsilon naught epsilon r, and in that condition energy density becomes simply half epsilon naught epsilon r into E square. So in any medium other than a vacuum, energy density is equal to half epsilon naught epsilon r into E square, where E is magnitude of electric field intensity, epsilon r is relative permittivity, and epsilon naught is permittivity of the vacuum. Okay, thank you students.